Okay, I am John Pawson with Team 3, and I am going to give you a rundown of a quantitative analysis over a coupon survey that was conducted by us. And as you can see, here's the executive summary of some of the key points that we will cover more in depth throughout this analysis. And as you can see through here, one of the running themes is level of discount, and that's going to be very important to pay attention to throughout this presentation. And here we go, you see the gender, the sample, and the age of the sample. And the sample size was 116 individuals, and as you can see, we're trying to focus more on the 20-somethings, and as you can see here, those ages are all represented well. Okay, first up we have customer satisfaction. To get this data, what we did was compile all the satisfaction scores that were given to us by the sample, and then we found the means for each individual attribute, and as you can see, those are right here. And availability of coupons, the area that we're doing the best in, 6.76, and more importantly, the area that the attribute that we are doing the worst at, and that is level of discount. And as I mentioned earlier, that is going to be a running theme, so it's going to be very important to pay attention to level of discount throughout this presentation. Attribute importance. To find the attribute importance, we ran a correlation of the attributes against the dependent variable, overall customer satisfaction. And once again, level of discount, the most important to the customer, and effort to find coupons, the least important. And using both of those research methods, we are able to find the improvement index. And to do this, you take the importance score multiplied by 10, which is the maximum amount of scale points, minus the satisfaction score. And that gives us our improvement index. The higher the number, the more of a need for improvement. And there we go, level of discount right at the top needs the most attention. And to do this, we put this into a quadrant analysis, and it places attributes in an area based on their performance, on performance and importance. And as you can see here, level of discount, major weakness, once again. But on the positive side, a major strength, delivery method. This is something we need to focus on to maintain our customers. And then another part of the survey was a conjoint analysis. Throughout this part, they were giving choices between different attributes and different levels within the attributes and had to choose. And attribute importance, there you go, level of discount, most important. And here we go, delivery method. The most preferred delivery method, cell phone. Least preferred, swipe card. And type of coupons that they like the most, restaurants. And ones they like the least, attraction and entertainment. And the important one, level of discount. As you can see here, boom, most important with level of discount, which is our most important attribute, and then the most important attribute, or most important level within that attribute is going to be 50% off. Customers like that 50% off coupon. And the least important, 20% off. Of course, you're going to want 50% off more than a 20% off coupon. And then we have Van Westendorp. We did this analysis to try and find a normal price range that we can suggest for the coupon book, and to do this we asked customers 5 different questions in which they listed a price. They weren't given any options. They had to write down what they felt was a good price at these 5 different levels. So I'll give you the 5 questions that we asked. The first one was, at what price would you consider the coupons to be too cheap and would doubt its quality? Second, at what price would you consider the coupons to be a good deal? Third, at what price would you consider the coupons to be expensive, but you would still consider buying? Fourth, at what price would you consider the coupons to be too expensive that you're not sure if you would purchase? And the fifth and final question, at what price would you consider the coupons so expensive that you would never purchase them? Like I said, they had to give their own idea of what they felt for each level. And to help us get a price range, we have the mean and median scores here. We're going to use the median scores because there's a pretty big variation between the mean and median scores. So what we did is go up between good deal and expensive not sure, and that's where we're going to get our normal price range, between $20 and $35. And after that, we constructed a good deal waterfall graph to help show where there are steep drop-offs in customers as we increase the price. And as you can see here, there was a pretty steep drop-off between the prices of $5 and $7, and that's 7.65% of our customers we are losing per dollar increase. And that comes out to be, for all of these, 1% increase, or 1% of our customers is equal to 1.16 customers. And also there was another steep drop-off between $10 and $18, and that was 3.49% per dollar increase. And another one was between 50.5% to 15.3%, which is $20 to $35, and that was 2.35% per dollar increase. And we did another one of these for, there's too expensive, no way we would ever purchase. And we started off at $15 to $26, and that is, we are losing 1.7% of our customers per dollar increase. And once again, 1 whole percent is going to equal 1.16 customers. So we want to pay real close attention to where we're losing our most amount of customers per increase. And we have another drop off between $30 and $45, and that's going to come out to be 1.69% per dollar increase. And another drop off between 45 and 25.2%, which is $50 to $70, and that's 1% per dollar. And just to give a quick recap of the most important parts, we've got level of discount right at the top because it's the most important attribute to customers. And it's also the area that we need to improve on the most. Next, we have delivery method. It's the area that we're doing the best in. And going back to level of discount, 50% off is the most preferred level within that attribute. And according to our Van Westendorp analysis, a normal price range for this coupon book is going to be between $20 and $35. And also pay attention to those sharp drop-offs in customers when increasing the price, because 1% is going to equal 1.16 customers that we're losing every time we increase the price. Alright, thanks for listening to our presentation. Hope you find this information useful.